Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, bibbidi bobbidi boo. Put it together and what have I got? A special unboxing for you. Hit it, maestro! Excited you were. Did you like that? Oh my word. Sends me potty every month, doesn't it? Right, so I have got my Bibbidi Bobbidi box. I might actually, if I'm being really truthful, can you tell I'm trying to get something along? I might actually kind of have two. Well, we're only doing one today. What I wanted to do, and I thought it was really, really important, is I know so many of you are thinking which subscription box to get and which company and what have you. And I wanted to show you the sort of things you could get. So far I think all my boxes have been Ultimate, the Ultimate Magic one. So that's not really giving a true picture of everything you can get. So this month I've got a Dreams box and the Ultimate Magic box. And the reason I've done that is so you can see the two ends of the spectrum. The box I'm opening today is the Dreams box, and that's $39. And then next month I'm planning on getting the Wishes box, which is $49, and the Fantasy, which is $59. And we're just going to swap it up each month, because that's the great thing about this subscription. I pay for all my own boxes, so this is just my own opinion. It's not subsidised or anything like that. It's not, what's the word? So yeah, I pay for all my own boxes. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. So this is all my own opinion. But what I love about this is you've got your membership, you've got your subscription box set up, but you can swap it. So you can change your box, but still keep that same subscription. So you don't have to go in and keep changing all your preferences, and just swap it up, change your box. And you've still got all your preferences in your preference manager, and I love that. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to mix it up so you can see all the different boxes and what you can get. And be with me when we're doing the unboxing. So yeah, so the plan is 2 a month. I might have a snack box coming next month as well. Can't quite remember. We were meant to go to Walt Disney World in April. We were meant to be there for Easter, but then Savannah broke her ankle. So we need some snacks because I won't be able to buy them myself in the parks. Fear not. Plans are in place to go forward so that we just sort of change a trip, because I don't want us to miss out on a trip either. But yeah, she's broke her ankle and she's in a cast. So yeah, so a snack box in April originally wouldn't have been a good idea because we'd have been in the parks for Easter. Whereas now we're going to be at home, and so we can all have a bit of the goodies out of the snack box. But I thought, yeah, we'd do one of those as well, because I haven't seen one of those and I'd love to know what's in them. And I'd also quite like to eat what's in it as well. And as we know, if I do a taste test on the channel and eat everything, it's for research and it doesn't count. Anyway, I digress. So my box, we've all seen the boxes, and they are beautiful. If I'm really honest, I never really look because I'm so eager to get in. But I do love the up house with all the balloons and the Dole Whip. Let me show you the back. It's a fabulous print with all the different things on. I mean, it is a true genius piece of artwork. Absolutely love it. And when because I have to go and collect mine from the post office, because of, you know, I have to pay customs on it. And when I go, I said, it's my princess box. And they're like, okay, Karen, and I don't even tell them my PO box number or my number anymore because they know which I am, which is bad, isn't it? Because it means I'm there nearly every day. Anyway, let's open this. I've got my opener. Let's cut the sellotape. Whoops. There we go. There we go. So just cut it here. Let's open it up. Blue turquoise it's blue. Oh. And then we've got the spoiler on the top, which we're not going to look at. And we've got our sticker and our tissue paper. So this is the Dreams box. I'm really quite nervous, excited, but nervous as well. So don't forget, this was $39, which, I mean, that's a fabulous price for a subscription box, isn't it? Right. I can see something. So, why do everybody call these foozles? Is that the real name, foozles? Because to me, that's a shredder that's gone crazy. So I've got loads of fusels. Oh, this is nice. Okay, okay. So first of all, I've got a bag. Tomb Sweet Tomb. Instead of Home Sweet Home. Haunted Mansion. I love the Haunted Mansion. That's $19.99 and it's a Disney Park exclusive item. Oh, that's nice, that is. I've never got enough bags, you know, for on holiday to put all your different bits in. I do like that. There you go. And it's just plain inside, but it's like it's a nylon. I don't know if it's a waterproof lining, but it's a nylon one. But that's fun, that is. I do like that. And then we've got, oh, what's her name? Madam Loretta? Loetta? You know, the lady with the the glass ball. There really is no hope, is there? But yeah, she's on the puller. Oh, does it not want to show? Doesn't want to show, does it? So yeah, she's on the puller there. And so a nice little makeup bag. So yeah, so $19.99 makeup bag, so that's the first thing. So half of my budget is gone already, hasn't it? I'm saving that till last. I love that. I absolutely love that. Right. Right, on my wish list, I said, I don't want any pins, please, because I collect so many. So you're setting someone up to get your duplicates, and that's not fair. That's not fair. But I did say, but yes to fantasy pins, please, because there's so many out there. The chances are negligible of you getting a duplicate. And this is lovely. It's an alien fantasy pin. It's like the spaceship on the bow. It's like a bow, and it's by Castles and Confetti, and it's called The Chosen One. Isn't that lovely? I just know I haven't got that. I really like that. So that's another great thing. So if it is you do collect pins, put on there you don't want any if you don't want any, but put if you want fantasy. I just love this because yeah, I love this. Right, now I've also got in some stickers. Now, until I look at my packing note, I'm not going to know if these are part of the Sparkle box. I'm sure it's called Sparkle box, and I'm sure it's $9. I'll check it up. If not, I'll put it down below. Because I have ordered one, so I don't know if it's coming here and it's this, or whether it's in the other box or not. So, let's have a look. See. Now, on the spoiler, where have I put the spoiler? On the spoiler, you have got all of the villains as, are they Hercules muses? So you've got Ursula, you've got Yzma, Maleficent, Mother Gothel, and Cruella de Vil. Didn't the girl do well? But look! They've also done a magnet, so it's a little decal if you like, but it's like a little magnet. So that'll go on my fridge because I do have magnets on my fridge. And I just think that's lovely. I think that's really pretty. So we've got that. We've then got a Sunnyside, Lotso Sunnyside, because Lotso is one of my preferences as well, sticker. I like this because they're so unique. And then you've got Minnie and Mickey, a Sleeping Beauty. And you've got Daisy and the Chippette. I call it the Chippette because I haven't got a clue what her name is. But Chip and Dale's Chippette. Isn't that lovely? And as we all know, I'm into Aurora. So I love that. Yeah, that's really lovely. So I've got those. And then the final item, which I think is my favourite item. You ready? Really? I've got a Small World notebook. Right, so let's see if the pages are plain or I don't know. Wow, this is really lovely. It's like, can you see all the gold? It's like embossed, it's raised. I'm sure you can't see if I do. That's really lovely. And okay, it's completely plain inside, so that'd be really handy for my planning, for my videos, what I'm going to record. And it's just a plain notebook inside. I really like that. I really like this box. And you know, for $39, I've got this. I don't know how much this was yet. I've got my book, I've got my makeup bag. So I think that alone is more or less the $39. So shall we have a look at the spoiler alert? Shall we have a look? So let's have a look. So inside we've got the pins. They were $10. The Happiest Cruise notebook was $16.99, and then the Disney Parks Tomb Sweet Tomb cosmetic bag was $19.99. And I know what I'm going to use that for. I know exactly what I'm going to use that for. And then they put in the stickers for me as well as an example. But I know I've ordered a box, so I don't know if that's a box or if it's in the next box. I think these are samples. I think it could be in the next box possibly. So the total value of my box was $46.98. And I paid $39, and I think it's fabulous. I really, really do. I've not got the pin that's on the floor, so if I bend down, you're just going to see the top of my head. So it's just down here. The aliens trying to escape. And I love these. I love my book. You know that. That's, yeah, I love a book. I'd love a themed box, all of it's Small World. That's what I'd love. And this, I've bought my eyelashes in it. I've got a selection of eyelashes. These are new ones I bought today. And I'm going to put them all in there, and that'll be my eyelash case for when I'm on holiday. So yeah, I've got a home and a use for that already. So I'm really pleased because these are nice. These are really nice products, and for $39, it's fabulous. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I'll put the links down below. Go and check them out. They're fabulous. It's a fabulous subscription box, and if you're over in the UK, it's affordable, because I know a lot of the boxes I've looked previously, and I won't name names, but some of them, they don't come to the UK anymore anyway, but their shipping was just, yeah, it was more than the price of the box in some instances, which is just ludicrous, whereas this, it's really reasonable. So yeah, so I'm absolutely thrilled to pieces. So thanks girls, thanks so much. If you've enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and I'll see you really soon, like next week, shall we? Shall we do our other box? Shall we do that? We will. Take care, be good, be kind. Thanks everybody, bye for now, bye.